Hello everybody, Caleb right here, and I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new TSU social media network that just launched this past week and is bringing a revolutionary new business model to the social media game. Okay? Basically, it's a platform that's very much like Facebook, except they're much less greedy because they're providing 90% of their advertising revenue that comes in from their advertisers and providing that to the members of the network who are posting and expanding the network. Okay? And so that's why that this is such an awesome opportunity that you want to use Facebook to expand, which is the purpose of our viral expansion team here on Facebook, is to teach you how that we can basically expand our TSU network on Facebook. Okay, so quick overview just of the platform here. I'm actually logged in to my TSU profile. Okay, and this is my profile page. I have my cover image right here, and just like Facebook, you can make a post and you can add a picture to it, and you can share on Facebook and Twitter by just clicking these icons here before you actually make your post. Okay. Uh, Another cool thing here, I'll just like go like I'm making a post. Okay, put some text in there. You can add a title that makes your post stand out more. My post stands out more in the news feed thanks to this title. Okay, so you can use that intelligently every time that you post so you can get more action on your post. All right. Another great thing to know about this for you SEO people that are out there is that every link that you put on here on TSU has a do follow. So we do get link juice that goes through to our content when we post links to our marketing content like blog posts and YouTube videos. Okay. Now, you should be very comfortable with this if you've been a Facebook user for some time, which pretty much all of you are because we're pulling you all in from Facebook. So this page should be pretty comfortable with you. We scroll down it, you see I have some posts here. Um, you have your social media links. That's another thing that's important, okay? When you first get in here, you're going to want to go to settings, and then you can set your settings, but if you go to settings and then you click on social accounts right over here, okay? And then you can link your Twitter account, you can link your Facebook account. Now, the cool thing about Facebook is you can actually link it to any fan page you have. I recommend using your profile because that's where all your connections are going to see your posts coming through most often. And it's also to your profile where we're going to be able to boost your posts more easily. Scrolling down here, move my window a little bit so you can see it, is we have Instagram. You can also connect to Instagram. Okay, so do that. Connect to all the networks you can on here, basically. And I'm liking to connect my Facebook, my straight Facebook profile. Okay. Um, you're going to need to do this before that you can share your post from your profile. From the settings area here, we have a couple other things that are of note. You can invitations. You click here and you can actually grab your link. This is the main link to your profile, and you share that anywhere. People that click through will be instantly invited to set up their account at TSU, and they'll be added to your family tree. You can check all your notifications by clicking here. Actually, these are your notification settings, and I actually decided to turn all of them off from my email because it was sending way too many emails to me. So you'll probably want to do that too. You can use Discover Users link right here to find more people to follow and friend. Another important thing is the bank section, okay? Because it shows you how much that you're earning. Now, you aren't going to have anything show up for probably 24 hours until after you sign up, because I just signed up yesterday, added a bunch of people, made some posts, and I earned 33 cents since yesterday. So you can see I started on the 26th, and I've had 33 cents in royalties. And we can check analytics using this link, and it'll basically show you a graph of all the views, likes, and comments. You can switch between them just by clicking this tab here. And you can scroll down and we'll show you all your posts that you've done and how many likes, views, likes, and comments went on each one. And you can click through to view the post. Very, very handy. Another thing and note you're going to want to check out is the family tree. Okay, so when you refer people in using your link, you'll be able to go to your family tree here and see everybody that you've added. And you can, when they first come in, you can follow them and friend them right from here. Another cool thing is that you can actually view the descendants, the people that your referrals have referred into the network, and then you can also follow and add friend of these people. Okay, and that's suggestible to expand your network quickly, because the more people who see your posts, or the more people that can come and comment on their posts, click links and share your posts, which makes you more money on TSU. Okay, so on TSU, gotta figure out which one to call this, TSU or TSU. Okay, so it's all very new, right? You can click on feed here to go basically to the news feed, and you'll be able to start checking out other people's posts and engaging. And another great thing is the notification section on this side actually shows you all the different notifications that come through. And of course, you can also click this little icon up here where you can see the latest comments and people that are sending you friend requests. Okay, so that's just a quick little overview. Oh yeah, one more thing that you're going to find interesting in this FAQ section, okay, because there's a lot of excellent information here, including it explains like the algorithm of TSU, like how that we get paid. You're going to want to check this out. This is really cool info. Explains also how it works. So come here, study up on that, get familiar. Take you like 2 seconds. And I'm going to go back to my home page here, profile. And I'm going to actually create a post, okay? I'm going to just create a post real quick just so you can see. I'm actually going to recycle a post back from Facebook. Share a new thing. Let's see, what do I got? I know. Share something from DSD. Okay. Let's see here. Just reached 200 feedback on eBay using my DSD business. Just grab this image so I can put it over on TSU. Okay, so now I'm just going to paste what I typed there. Suppose I'll also will put a affiliate link in here for fun. Let me just grab one of those. And I can share that to Facebook or Twitter. Right now, I'm actually not going to share this one to Facebook because I've already posted this a few days ago on Facebook. Okay, but I'm going to add my picture. Get my, from the desktop, let's see, what did I name that? Okay, 107. 107. There it is. Okay. And the cool thing is, I actually will let you show like the preview of the video and the image, but you can kind of control what you show. So I'm going to take that off and just have it show the image. And then pull this up a little bit here. Click post. There it goes. Okay. Okay, I guess that's interesting. Okay, I learned something a little bit new here. I'm going to click my profile just to show you. It looks like that when you create a post using this link here, that it goes to the news feed, right? No, okay, it does go straight to your profile. I just had to refresh my profile. There it is. There's my TSU post. Very easy, it's just like Facebook, right? So, and this went straight to my Twitter because I clicked the Twitter icon. Okay, and I could go to Facebook if I clicked the Facebook icon. But just want to give you a quick overview of basically everything you need to know of how to use TSU. Now in my next video, I'm going to just give you a little bit more explanation of how we do the viral strategy with Facebook in order to pull in your network from Facebook onto TSU. Because it just makes sense, because we're just, you know, we're just doing what we do every day here, marketing with posts like on Facebook, And we're actually monetizing further by doing this, and we can really build this up because this thing is just released and it's crazy how fast it's growing. And it's definitely a place to be right now, and expanding a network and riding the wave of growth, of exponential growth that happens in a social media network when it first comes out. And within the first 90 days or so, there's just incredible growth as people jump on these things. People just love social media, they eat it up. All right, so Caleb right here. Catch my next video. Sorry this one was a couple minutes long. Try to make the next ones much shorter, okay? Just an initial overview here. Catch you back in the viral expansion team group. All right.